Here's where you can go to find the proximity sensor feature for your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or the Note 14 phone. Make sure it is the Chinese ROM model to find access to this feature. I'll show you where to find it and what it does. You'll want to make sure you're using the default dialer app, this one right here. And that's what the Chinese model version comes with, the one that looks like this. Now, once you're here now, go to the top section where the settings icon is and tap on that one time. And from here on now, you'll go down to the settings that says incoming call settings. And as you tap on that there, you'll see these different options. And you want to look for the one that says proximity sensor, this right here. And you're wondering what it really does. So this basically, with this turned on, every time you have your phone close to your ear, the screen will go into the off-screen mode, which is going to be useful so that if you have the phone pressing against your ear, you won't accidentally press any other touch controls or functions on the screen, or probably press the end button by mistake while it's close to your face. So that's going to be useful if you prefer that. And of course, if you don't like it, you can come back and turn it off like so.